In the pressure cleaning business. Let me show you what's going on here. This is just local, not even within a 10-mile radius. Okay, so look at all this. Watch what happens. Look at this. Notice how these are multiple in one little chunk. Now this is all the way out in like almost Belle Glade, all the way over to the ocean. So you got to check this out. That is crazy. Look how many are packed into like one little area. You have to move the map around a little bit, but I am telling you, in Palm Beach County alone, there's about 1,800 companies. Is that crazy? So that's only to the edge of Palm Beach County, Hope Sound. Look at this. That's insane. And if you zoom in, you can get more or less. If you get like a pack like this, you can get in there and actually view. Let's see if we can find an example for you. Okay, like right here. See how all this packs up right here and right here? You can just expand that and see what companies these are and where they're at. This is crazy. This is madness. So if you're wondering why you're not getting phone calls, this is the reason why. And if you think you're going to SEO your way out of this, you're lost. No matter what money you put into this, you're never going to rank higher than these aged accounts. Like I said, you can zoom in and zoom out. And you just gotta wait a second for this map to refresh. That's just the way Google works. Look at this. That's what I was talking about right in here. See all that? Look what pops up. I'm not even within a 5-mile radius, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. There's 30 within like not even a 3.5 mile radius. So anyway, hope they helped you guys out. Get into business, fuck it up some more. Enjoy.